Introducing the ThinLED Pro by TRENZ. Change the color temperature below the ceiling by removing the magnetic trim plate. This removes the need to guess what color of light will be best for your home or having to worry about matching what is already installed. Selecting a fixture has never been easier. Just select between round, 4 or 6 inch. Additional trim plate colors are sold separately. The ThinLED Pro is a LED fixture with a thin profile that fits perfectly in ceilings with low above ceiling clearance. The ThinLED Pro comes with a lifetime warranty, dimming capability, is wet location rated, meaning it can go into a shower or outdoors, and it is ENERGY STAR approved. It does not require can housing to be installed. The ThinLED Pro comes with a 5-position selectable CCT switch on the face of the fixture. Simply remove the magnetic faceplate to access the switch. No need to disconnect the fixture from the power source or remove it from the ceiling. So if you decide that the color temperature that was originally selected no longer suits your space, you can easily change it with the flick of a switch. For more information, please visit TRENZLighting.com.